Hello, my name is Dr. T.C. Shedrakapen and I'm the founder of Vet Konect. I want to begin with this story. Several years ago, I got a call from a livestock farmer across a rural community. This farmer was heavily impacted by one problem, one that was common to what I have encountered in the field multiple times. He was losing his livestock to a preventable disease outbreak. At the time I got there, I was able to salvage the situation. But this story is not one of isolation. It's the stark reality for millions of livestock farmers across the African continent. According to the International Livestock Research Institute, Africa is home to over 600 million animal owners. This huge demographic depends on livestock production as a primary source of employment. It's a demographic we cannot afford to ignore, and it's on that premise that I founded Vet Konect. The goal was simple: to build a future where livestock farmers, regardless of the barriers of distance, have no challenges or barriers to access to animal care and social protection. Since deploying in 2022, through the power of mobile connectivity, we have successfully served over 150,000 livestock farmers and onboarded over 3,000 animal health professionals spread across 8 African countries. In addressing the challenges of women inclusion in livestock production, we successfully launched the Women in Poultry Initiative, a flagship program that provides holistic support for women in poultry production, from input financing, training programs, with mentoring and access to market. These women have successfully started, nurtured and grown these enterprises and are contributing meaningfully to their livelihoods. We have seen them improve their income by over 45% and reduce disease incidences down to 2%. Here are some of the success stories these women had to share about participating in this program.
I can't tell my story without mentioning Vet Konect Women in Poultry Initiative, because when I started, I didn't have money to buy one umbrella. You understand? I don't know if you watch my previous stories, you see. Vet Konect gave me a carton of broiler and 8 bags of feed. In my first interview, I kept emphasizing on the price of feed. The price of feed is like more than half of the money you need to do this thing. Then the bed, if you have feed and you have beds, this is my 3rd and last batch, and I wish I could do more, but at this point they expect me to be able to, stand on my own and do this thing myself. Be able to get my own beds, my feed and everything. And I don't know what else to say, but we are expanding.
Some of my friends will come around and they will be, so you have gotten this and you didn't tell us. It will make me to feel that I'm important. Then I was like a housewife. When I wake up, prepare my children to school, I'll just come back and I'll just be at home doing nothing. So it was as if I put a burden to my husband, because at least when a woman is contributing to the family, to be more flexible than doing nothing.
Very excited, like if you are here in the morning when I'm washing my drinker and changing their feed, my neighbor was like, "Oh, madam, you are so passionate about this, your work." I'm very happy about it. I'm a stay-at-home wife. I really don't do anything, so it keeps me busy.
Our target by 2030 is to directly impact over 5 million livestock farmers across the African continent by providing them comprehensive animal health coverage and social protection regardless of the barriers of this. Now here is why this matters. Africa's population is predicted to double by 2050 to over 4 billion people. This will put tremendous pressure on our livestock resources. For a continent where more than half of its population are directly dependent on livestock production as a means of primary employment, this is a challenge we cannot neglect. And today, Vet Konect is taking a frontal approach in addressing this challenge to ensure that the continent's present and future generations are secured both nutritionally and economically. And with the support of Gogettaz, we will be able to scale that impact, reach more livestock farmers across the African continent, and build a more resilient livestock ecosystem for the African continent. Thank you very much.